Hey folks, welcome back to another episode of T2 SMC Trader. So in this video, I'm gonna explain London session silver bullet. If you see, this is 50-minute chart for Nasdaq. Market has traded this bullish fair value gap from 15-minute chart. This is the last fair value gap from 15-minute chart. Market has been traded that last fair value gap perfectly. It didn't work with the lower portion of this fair value gap. Instead of that, it has worked with the upper portion. When market has traded this fair value gap, then it went higher, reached until that area, then market fall again. When it fall again over there, I have seen the lowest down close body close candle as my order block. So let me mark my order block. Over there, this is my order block. I know that market is going to make the liquidity, but before that, I also know that market is extremely bullish. So my intention is, if I want to take a sell from there, I have to wait for a 50-minute bearish fair value gap. If you take a closer look over there, this is that 50-minute bearish fair value gap. So this candle low, this candle high, this is my 50-minute bearish fair value gap. After making this bearish fair value gap, market never traded that bearish fair value gap. Instead of that, it reached until this order block. After trading this order block, I will go to 1 minute chart. All you have to understand that here market has been traded this 15-minute bullish fair value gap upper portion, didn't work with the lower portion. Made this order block, price came fall until this order block. That means I have the higher time frame point of interest over there. So that order block is my higher time frame point of interest. Now I am going 1 minute chart. When I came to this 1 minute chart, what I can see is market has fallen dramatically. It has fallen. Okay, it has taken all of this liquidity. At the same time, from 1 minute chart, it has traded this volume balance. Look over here. Either way, this is the last fair value gap. If you want to say like that way, there is nothing wrong. This is that volume balance. Market has been traded that volume balance. Then it has made a swing high. This swing high is valid for shifting market structure. Market went lower, didn't left any liquidity. There is no liquidity left over here, no sell side liquidity. Then gave me the market structure shift. So I would love to mark the market structure shift over there. So this is my market structure shift. After shifting the market structure, market has two fair value gap. This is the entry fair value gap. If we mark the entry fair value gap over there, this is the entry fair value gap, and over here I had this breakaway gap. So there is my breakaway gap. Look, price reached until the low of this breakaway gap, but the body is closed at the consequent crosspoint of that breakaway gap. So it is logical. My stop loss was just below that low. As you can see, it's a London session, so no high volatility around that area. So I simply put it over there. But if you put your stop loss below that breakaway gap, it is also valid. There is nothing wrong, but I just put it over there. After trading this fair value gap, this is my lowest down close body close candle. So I would love to mark that down close body close candle as my order block. So here, this is my order block. And if you'd love to mark the 50% of that order block for the mean threshold, there is nothing wrong for that. Let me mark that as well. Okay, so this is the 50% of that order block. Now market didn't reach until that order block mean threshold. It's okay, it doesn't need to do that. But if it trade until the mean threshold, there's nothing wrong. Now market is going higher. This is that 15-minute bearish fair value gap. Except that 15-minute bearish fair value gap, what else do you see? This high, sorry, let me mark it. This high and that high, they're relatively equal highs. Very clean, relatively equal highs from 1 minute chart. So my extreme liquidity is over here from 15-minute chart, but I have this 1 minute liquidity as well around that area. So my target is that relatively equal highs, at the same time the low of 15-minute bearish fair value gap. This is how I actually frame this silver bullet trade from the London session. I know that market is going to make the liquidity. That is my expectation. So in my opinion, even if it would love to fall, it should reach at least until that last fair value gap from 15-minute chart. Then it can fall. Until then, I am bullish. So here, this is my entry to the entry fair value gap. My stop loss is over here, and my target is over there. Okay. Risk to reward ratio not bad, 1:2.4. But the handle is very small. You can see it's just 13 handle is my target. In London session, market is not volatile. So when it is not volatile, then 13 to 10 to 20 handle from the London session, it's more than enough. Okay. So this is for your hindsight. I would love to go to 15-minute chart one more time and make sure that you understand the whole concept. Market is extremely bullish. You can see market is extremely bullish. From yesterday, it went higher perfectly. It reached until that area. Then market retraced little bit until this last parabolic gap from 15-minute chart, tapped to the upper portion of that 15-minute bullish parabolic gap, went higher, failed to take that high. Instead of that, made relatively equal highs. Not clean, but still this is relatively equal highs. Then market came back again until the order block level. Market is reaching higher. My intention is it will reach at least until this bearish parabolic from that 15-minute parabolic, 15-minute chart, as well as the relatively equal highs from 1-minute chart. So that is my target. If you are overzealous, you can take a partial over there and you can target that high as well if you want. But I am not interested to do that, because most of the time in London session market actually don't take the liquidity, instead of it makes the liquidity. So for me, this entry is more than perfect, and I really would love to see that see to close my trade around that area. So that is my belief that market is going to hit my target profit over there. So this is the London session. If it is insightful for you guys, I hope that you will consider to give a like to me and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so until the next video, cheers.